Fishing adventure time coming at you. Yeah. Alright, so we got our fishing adventure time on Lake Hartwell today. I come out here, man, we drifted all the way back into the island almost. It's a little breezy. It's white capping out here. We just had that tropical storm come through yesterday. No rain today, but it's windy. We're fishing for stripers and whatever else we can get. We're running some herring bait I picked up, using live bait. So we'll see if we get lucky today. We're gonna get blowing all over the place out here. Sailboats are out in full force. Get back at you when we hook up. A little bumpy out here today. A little bumpy. Let's go. All right.
Oh, it's the video, not the photo?
Well, I took a photo, but it looks like a largemouth, but it's got a lot of teeth, so that's a largemouth though.
Yeah, the teeth are digging into me.
Yeah, he's a largemouth. It's not a spot. Looks like one though. It's a nice fish though. Say a couple pounds.
I'd say he's got a little bit of meat to him.
Clemson having a game today. I don't even know where they're at in the season, how they're doing this year. I know they're not
They're doing great. They're number one.
Are they?
On this area.
Yeah, well, that's not saying much for this area.
I think they got a 8-1.
8-1 record?
Yeah, right now. Up against Louisville today.
Alright, well, that's about as close as we can get. That kid for kickoff? That kickoff is like 3 o'clock, right? 3:30. That's why. That's for the kickoff. That's why it's been so quiet over there.